the transformative part is that it takes tasks that used to require hours of manual effort.
You're listening to 15M Mastering, a show that empowers you with insights from the leading iGaming experts to enhance your personal or business performance. The show is brought to you by tech-driven affiliate and media company Already Media, and supported by the AI-powered data analytics platform Blask. Yo Investments, a fund manager investing in outstanding people who are disrupting the iGaming, fintech, and crypto industries. And BC Game, the multi-award-winning crypto casino with a player-centric approach. Hello and welcome to 15M Mastery. Today we have Max Tesla, the CEO and co-founder of Blask, alongside with me. Max is not just the leading iGaming AI expert, but one of the best in the world. In this episode, we're going to explore the capabilities of AI beyond just simple chatbots. Welcome, Max.
Yeah, hey Dima, nice to meet you here. I've prepared the kickstarting joke on the podcast that will be on the topic of the AI, and I think that you have prepared the initial plan with the use of AI given to me. Then I used AI to juggle it a little bit. Then I got the list of questions that I used AI to write answers for. So yeah, well, no one knows who's handler.
Next time we'll just ask AI to record the episode for us. Okay, let's go straight into the action. So people think AI just means chatbots, like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude. A lot of them are coming out of the nowhere these days. So which hidden AI capabilities are reshaping iGaming right now? How do these tools work differently from the chat systems people know?
Yeah, well, let's set the record straight. Like ChatGPT might be the face of AI for the masses because they've completely won the brand marketing game. But it's just the tip of the iceberg because in iGaming, AI operates on an entirely different level, like in any domain specific zone. We're talking about computer vision models, for example, that analyze thousands of images to detect brands, slot games, promotionals across thousands of websites in seconds. It's like, giving your businesses superpower to see and understand the visual world. But then there's also predictive analytics where AI models like Time GPT forecast user behavior and market trends with really scary accuracy. And it's not just spitting out numbers because it's telling you whether the market is heading and why. So you'll be always at the edge of the momentum. And my personal favorite, autonomous data extraction. Imagine AI ripping through a regulatory PDF from UKGC faster than you can say, where's the table of contents? It does not just read, it organizes, analyzes, gives actionable insights. In short, AI in iGaming isn't here to chat. It's here to analyze, predict, and transform, giving you tools that don't just sound smart, but actually make your business smarter.
Let's talk a little bit more about this computer vision thing you just mentioned, because as far as I understood, AI can understand images. How does Blask and you guys specifically use this technology, and why might it matter as much as chatbots and text AI these days?
Yeah, well, I think it's really transformative because computer vision is really one of the secret weapons in our arsenal, and it's nothing short of revolutionary because at Blask we use transformer-based vision models that can analyze visuals at scale. Think like brand logos, slot games, promotionals, and affiliate websites. Here's a concrete example, like when a competitor, an operator launches a new game in the lobby, the computer vision model is capable to detect it immediately because we don't just notice it, we analyze it, benchmark it and provide actionable insights to customers in real time. And the transformative part is that it takes tasks that used to require hours of manual effort or were straight up are actually impossible and completes them in seconds. It's like giving your business a pair of X-ray glasses that can scan through the internet. And computer vision isn't just a cool technology, because I think that it's a game changer. It can turn visual chaos into crystal clear intelligence. And for many tasks in market intelligence, it's one of the most efficient way of doing these tasks, even much more easier to implement with the traditional algorithms and software development, I guess.
I love it. Thank you so much, Max, for these insights. Let's talk about the basics and fundamentals. Beyond OpenAI, obviously, there are many companies like Meta, Anthropic. They've created their own AI models. What makes each one of them unique, and when should companies choose one for another?
Yeah, I love this question. Sure. OpenAI gets all the fame and glory, but it's not the only player in the field. Meta's Llama changed the game completely with the introduction of Llama 3.2 Vision, the first really great scalable multi-model VLM, like the visual language model. And think of Llama as like the rebel genius, because it's open source, it's customizable, you can get weights, you can fine tune it. It's perfect for businesses that want control over their AI. It's all about privacy. Think of it like building your own custom AI engine instead of relying on a one size fits all solution. Then, well, there's Claude from Anthropic. If Llama is the rebel, Claude is the responsible older sibling. It focuses on safety, structure, and alignment, which makes it really ideal for some of the use cases in industries like iGaming, where data sensitivity and compliance and regulatory landscape are non-negotiable. And if thinking about how we utilize these models in Blask for planning, development, QA, etc., like system analytics, we use lots of them. Probably every single proprietary LLM in the market for extracting something that cannot be easily done with just writing a scraper, because it's impossible to write the universal scraper that will scrape everything from hundreds of thousands of websites over the internet. It's not about picking a favorite, because, for example, for Claude, I think it's really good for the structured backbone. I love the phrase GPT on the streets, Claude in the sheets, because it really shines on data extraction. And yeah, well, sure. Indeed, it's not about picking a favorite, because it's all about choosing the right tool for the job and squeezing every bit of value out of it.
I think you just opened eyes for many people because a lot of conversations are happening only about OpenAI, and I think they were the ones who really made AI a mainstream. But like as you mentioned, a true hardcore AI is with the other developers. So it leads me to my next question, because I think beyond understanding what AI is and what companies are there, I think one of the hottest trends is the AI and its decision making through reinforcement learning kind of process. How does this different from older AI methods, and where could it make the biggest impact in the iGaming these days?
Yeah. Well, I can explain it. RL, or reinforced learning, is like AI on a mission. Instead of following a fixed script, reinforced learning learns by trial and error, optimizing decisions based on rewards and for sure penalties. It's like teaching a dog tricks, but the dog is an algorithm, and the threats are measurable outcomes you can get through the RL process. Well, in iGaming, RL for sure also has massive potential. Picture an AI running endless simulations to figure out the most profitable player retention strategies, or dynamically adjusting in-game difficulty levels to keep users engaged, or personalizing content. It's not just smart, it's adaptive and learning from every action to improve the next one. This makes RL perfect for industries like ours, where the environment is complex, ever changing, and always filled with lots and lots of nuances, because it doesn't just follow rules, because it tries and tends to create its own playbook, and that's what makes this approach so powerful.
But this leads me to my next question, like about the outcomes. Because for many people, AI sits strongly in the text data, like as you mentioned before, but it can create more than just text, right? It make images, sound, video these days. Which of these newer creative AI tools excite you the most, and which one will deserve more attention?
For sure, Gen AI is plowing past text generation and heading into a wild, uncharted territory. Because, for me, it's one of the most exciting areas. Probably synthetic data generation. This is where AI creates fake but realistic data sets, which are a godsend for training models with this synthetics when real world data is really scarce or messy. Recently, probably yesterday, I've read an abstract from a paper by Google DeepMind on that they've tested synthetic dataset generation from the smaller LLM compared to the larger LLM, and they had the overall results improved by generating even more and more amounts of data in the data set and doing this. But then there's video synthesis. It's starting to feel like something is out of a sci-fi movie right now, with launches of Sora, for example, or some Chinese companies making models like Hunyuan, I guess its name. Imagine like launching a new slot game and having AI automatically generate like in-game videos, promotional videos, animations that are tailored to every region and audience. No production team, no delays, just instant content. And don't sleep on audio generation, because perfect voiceovers for campaigns and marketing, crafted in seconds without even the need to book a studio. Or 3D modeling, where AI creates like characters in game, entire game environments and worlds, or even some basic things like marketing assets on demand. And this this field is the future of creativity, because AI is not just analyzing, but actually building, designing, innovating, and you don't even need the production team in place.
For those watching this in early 2025, I just recently saw Nike and Adidas. They just created their first TVCs with the help of AI without any like talent, like actors, pure AI, visuals, audios, script, everything. So I think, like as you mentioned, the possibilities are insane and endless, and I cannot wait to see where it unfolds. Awesome insights, and thanks a lot for your time, Max, and off to the new episode.
At least they will teach AI to generate the perfect video of Will Smith eating spaghetti. Because, yeah, half year ago it was a tough try for AI, but now, yeah, well, it knows the drill. Thank you, Dima.
Thanks, Max.